how to enable or disable the black or white bar at the bottom of your iPhone screen. So if you want to enable or disable the black or white bar at the bottom of your iPhone screen, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First, you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of guided access, or you can also just simply go with search and search for guided access. Just tap on it, which will be under your accessibility. It should be turned on. Then set a password in the password settings to control access to guided access, to control access to your guided access. And when you have set your password, open any app like, for example, your App Store, and triple press the side power button on your iPhone in order to activate the guided access. After that, the black bar at the bottom will disappear, but you won't be able to exit the app while guided access is active. And to return to normal use, you need to again triple press the sidebar button again and enter your guided access password. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.